Autostrada are pleased to offer this Range Rover Evoque Dynamic Luxe SD4 Auto. This 2013 63 registered car has covered 54,000 miles from new. This car has fantastic features, including blind spot monitor, reverse parking camera with guidelines, and panoramic glass roof with power blind, touchscreen navigation, DAB radio, Meridian surround sound system, electric heated front seats with driver's memory setting, power tailgate and 20-inch alloy wheels. This car is supplied with a service history. 12 months MOT and oil service will be carried out alongside an Autostrada approved 125-point check. A report will be supplied.